We've been using the Milestone platform, and the primary reason for that is the open architecture system. It's so critical to what we do as a solution provider, because we need basically every tool out there to bring the proper solution to the customer's problem. And any kind of limitation will destroy that. I mean, we can't, there's so many challenges out there that if it's not open and if it won't work, having an open system is critical to the overall ROI, because if you've got to, you can't go further in the future without all the possibilities of the future solutions, that problems you don't have yet. And you need all those options available to you. Without them, you're limited, you are going to fail. I would even say every other vendor out there, without moving to open system, they're going to fail as well. Milestone is a very simple product to implement. Simple from the standpoint of we're spending less time getting it up and running, and it gives us more time to do the other challenges on the project. Customer training goes very simple. We can spend a short time with them, go through the features, and then spend a little more time going into the real deep features that Milestone does provide. And a lot of those features are critical to our customers when we're talking about video evidence. I know for a fact the encryption feature is what has sold some of our work, because that aspect alone gives people what they need because of the security features built in, inherent to Milestone. We have a trusted relationship with Milestone. Anytime that we've needed any kind of help with them with a sale or a pre-sale, Milestone has stepped up. They brought in the right technical help as well as the right presenter. And I would say that has been beneficial and instrumental in some awards of work. And we look forward to continuing that trusted relationship in the future. We've got a customer in North Carolina, state government, Department of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, and they're challenged in many ways, not only to foster and turn the lives around of some of these people that have gone the wrong way, and so the project to implement the video solution for them is so vital to help them maintain and prove that their standards and their operating procedures are being followed by their staff. The video product gives them all kinds of opportunities they didn't have before. They can now make sure that they're doing things by their book. They always were. They have the evidence now. Right. They can go in wide area network and observe this from the central office in Raleigh. The customer had initially sought the help of an A&E firm to design a project. They designed it kind of backwards, or with analog systems, right. And we actually went in and installed those systems for them. We also went in and educated them after that, because that was how the contract was. Sure. Brought in Milestone, and put a demonstration for them from a facility, brought it in over the wide area network, and did a side-by-side comparison of some of the video quality and some of the strengths that Milestone brought to them. Archiving was a big feature they needed. Encryption was a big feature they needed. They needed the ability to put more cameras in the facility, and the DVR limitations. There was just so much that was holding them back. They were spending a lot of good capital, and they weren't investing in the right solution. Milestone came in with Wonder Lake Malik, and we've really turned that project around. And in fact, they applaud us. They tell us what a great system this is, and they compare when they need to pull video from an event. If it's from a new facility with Milestone, it's fast. If it's from one of the first projects with the Pelco system, it's painfully slow, to the point of they'll describe Milestone in minutes, they'll describe Pelco in hours and half days, and it's just brutal. And they ask us, when can we get these other systems converted? MIPS is a very unique gathering of the right solution people in the industry. It's a very educational process with the top leaders providing us with information that we need to go out and take on the challenges of new work prospects and understand what all is out there. We gather a lot of information in our daily work, but it's great to have all the industry leaders right here in one location. MIPS has a great value because I can consolidate and I can be educated in a short amount of time, because we are all so busy and travel is awkward these days. But if I can use my time and in a 2 to 3 day span gain the knowledge that it would take weeks or months to find, it's just really well presented, and we like the message that we're hearing.